Hello, this is Kevin from Clair. Today I would like to make a live demo with now ClairEye traffic video detector. The test environment is pretty simple. We just use one laptop to play a video taken from a real intersection, and use ClairEye to monitor the screen just to simulate the real traffic detection. And I will use another laptop to showcase how to set up the equipment and how to collect the real-time data. We use a web browser to visit now ClairEye using the default IP address and user account. Just be sure that your laptop is in the same segment with the camera. You will see that the video might not be very sharp in the browser. That is because now lens focus is 12 mm, which should normally work for distance up to 35 meters. However, even in this case, the equipment can identify the objects without any issue. This is because the embedded AI algorithm leverages machine learning and deep learning techniques, ensuring accurate detection. By clicking on the blue button, you will enter the system configuration pages. In system configuration, you can set up the IP address of the camera. In video configuration, you may give a name to the video. In center configuration, you can set up the server IP address and port numbers. There are also system upgrade and change password pages. In the main interface, you can set up the detection zones or detection lines easily. Let's try to add detectors one by one. Firstly, I would like to add one zone. I give it number 1, and I can save at any time while I feel it necessary and make it available. And I can define the zone by double-clicking the location of each point of the zone. And then I save it to make it available. Now I can define 3 more zones in the same way. And then I can also define the line detection by double-click the 2 points of the line. I gave them the number from 5 to 8. If you want to delete a point you just located, right-click it and confirm. Okay, now I have totally 8 detectors. 4 are zones and 4 are lines. Now I would like to collect the data to my server or software platform. In the system configuration, you can set the server IP and port number in the center configuration page. And then we use the UDP tool receive all the real-time data in the same port number you set just now. Then you will see that all data are coming. Let's just copy one line and try to read it. you will see that FE is the starting. 02 means it's a video detector. 01 means it is doing vehicle type detection. And 0011 is the packing lens. 08 means there are totally 8 detectors. And then it comes the data of each detector. Let's copy another line. This line shows it is a presence status detection, and 0 means there is no vehicle within the detector, and 1 means there is occupancy. Now I change the video from daytime to nighttime. The environment becomes dark, and headlight of the cars also blurs the image so much. However, in this case, you can see the video identification still works fine without any issue. And in the real intersections, its performance will be even better compared to this live demo.